Well, it's December 13th, 2014, Saturday. I thought I'd come out here and piddle just a little bit on the bug. I'm going to work on that spot there and sand out this here and see where my high and low spots are. And then I really think I'm going to turn it around, start on that forward patch over there, and probably up front there. Try to get all my welding and cutting and stuff all done, and then just concentrate on fixing the body, getting it sanded, and try to give it that look I'm looking for. So that'll be a whole nother job in its own way. I'll shut the camera off and start working on it a little bit over. Well, I decided I'd just let y'all watch a little bit. Move that right out of the way. Step outside and get some more water. This water usually lasts a long time if you don't kick it over in the floor like I always do. It's feeling pretty nice. I think I'll let that dry a little bit and put just a light coat on it. And hit it one more time. I believe I might be alright on that spot. So, let me see if I can move y'all up here. Y'all can look at the front spot here. that looks like. I know that light is making it where it just kind of blinds the camera. Just ain't no. Now that's okay, I guess. I still got paint burning off that heater over there. I painted it the other day. Trying to make it look a little better. There comes my fan on. It's getting pretty warm over here. Was a little pretty good sized little dent right there. I'll let y'all see it. I think a little bitty flat spot right in there. I need to touch up. This here I need just a little, I can feel just a little roughness. Now this ain't got no kind of putty on it whatsoever yet. That's what I was trying to keep from doing, but I think I might have to put just a little on it. I'll prime it one more time and sand it, and we'll just see if I had to put a little bit, that's fine. I don't mind putting a little bit. From the other videos, the other side's got some on it. I mean, I think I had to put a little bit down in here too. But that'd be fine. Well, I'll shut y'all down and I'll piddle a little bit.